So if you go to, on the video you got uploaded, there's a split in it, and then go to transitions. You can select the various transitions from there. I'm going to give you an example of all the different transitions. Some people like them, some people don't. It helps to blend from one scene to the other. So I quite like the ones where it goes sober with different shapes. There's not very many in iMovie. Notice my videos are slightly different, and they've got more in depth to them. They're not just rushed together. You've got quite a lot of content in their background movies, so if you're going to see how I do all this sort of thing later on, please like and subscribe, and I'll upload a video.